I'm Iou-Ren Chang. I'm from East Tennessee, Knoxville, Tennessee area. Went to medical school down there at Lincoln Memorial University. Did residency in Columbus, Ohio at Ohio Health in orthopedic surgery. My practice, especially with my fellowship in adult reconstruction and hip and knee replacement, is mostly hip and knee pain. So I really see three main types of patients. Patients that have hip and knee pain that may never been worked up or seen anyone else. For those patients, treatment is oftentimes conservative treatment with therapy or injections, medications. The other patient is the patient who's had some workup for hip and knee problems, has arthritis or some kind of problem that would benefit from a hip or knee replacement. For those patients, we use minimally invasive approaches and implants to replace their joint essentially and get them back to moving and restore their function and mobility. So the main procedures that I perform are knee replacements and hip replacements. For hip replacements, we do a direct anterior approach, muscle sparing approach that provides you a little bit faster recovery, a lower dislocation risk, and a little bit quicker return to mobility and function. For knee replacements, we use a combination of more traditional techniques as well as minimally invasive and robotic techniques to restore your joint and get you back up and moving and functioning as quickly as possible. I'm excited to be working down here and practicing in the Central Arkansas area, seeing patients at the Bowen and Heffley Orthopedic Clinic here in North Little Rock as well as in Russellville. Excited to help take care of you.